Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z Exam Guru YouTube platform. Today we will discuss about very important topic about algebra, that is expansion. So right friends, we will start. Expansion. In the previous lecture we have studied about some expansions like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Similarly, a plus 1 upon a whole square, a minus 1 upon a whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, right friends? So in this class we will study about some cubic expansions. So the very first expansion of today is a plus b whole cube, right friends? And you can write it as a plus b into a plus b whole square. And I hope that you have remember the previous learned formula, right? So the expansion of a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus twice of ab, right friends? So how you will derive it? You multiply a with this whole expression, right? A multiplied by a square plus b square plus twice of ab, and then you have to multiply this b with this whole expression, then b multiplied by a square plus b square plus twice of ab, right friends? And now if you multiply this, then what you will get? You will get a cube, and now this a into b square get ab square, and when a will multiply b to ab, you will get twice of a square b, and now you will get b into a square means b a square, b into b it give you b cube, and this will give you twice of a b square, right friends? So when you rearrange the terms, you will get a cube plus b cube plus it is twice of a square b, and it is also a square b. So this will become thrice of a square b. Similarly, it is a ab square, and it is also ab square. It becomes thrice of a b square, right friends? And I hope that this is clear to you. Again, this a cube, this is b cube, and this term a b square and a b square become thrice a b square, and 2a square b square become thrice of a b square. And now you can write it as a cube plus b cube, and by taking common thrice of ab, you will simply get the a, one is in common and one is remained, so it is a, and here one b is remaining, so it becomes right, and this is a plus b whole cube, right friends? So the one formula you derived it, that is a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, or make it me a plus b. The whole derivation is not in your syllabus, but I should explain to you for your better convenience. And you can derive the second formula. What if you transfer a, if you send all whole term like this, then a cube plus b cube equal to what? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab, and bracket me a plus b, right friends? So this is another formula, and it will help you during the solving of questions, right friends? And now move to next formula. Let us, so the next formula is a minus b whole cube. You can write it as a minus b into a minus b whole square, right friends? So it becomes a minus b, and you can write it as a square plus b square minus twice of ab. And if you multiply like a previous formula, then a will be multiplied with this a square plus b square minus twice of ab. Similarly, if you multiply minus b, the whole expression a square plus b square minus twice of ab. What will get a into a square? It will become a cube, and this ab square minus twice a square b. Similarly, this will become b a square minus b cube plus twice of ab square. And now arrange the terms. This become a cube minus b cube, and this is a square b, and this is a square b. It become minus 3a square b. Similarly, ab square and ab square, it becomes 3ab square. Right friends? So you can arrange the terms again. A cube minus b cube minus, you can take common 3ab, then one is remained over here and one b is remained over here, and since you have taken the negative sign outside, and that's why this positive sign will become negative sign, and this a minus b whole cube. So friends, again you have got another formula, and that is a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3b bracket में a minus b. If you rearrange the terms, then you will get the formula a cube minus b cube equal to what? A minus b whole cube plus thrice of ab. And don't be confused. For what? If any term will change the side, sign will change, right? If any term will change the side, sign will change, and that's why the 3ab, which is negative over here, it becomes that side a minus b whole cube, it becomes positive. Right friends? So move on to next formula, and the next formula is a plus 1 upon a whole cube. Right friends? And how you will explain it? Simply you will use the formula, previous formula of a plus b whole cube, and that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, and bracket में a plus b. And very similar manner, this will become a cube plus 1 upon a cube and 3 into a into 1 by a, bracket में a plus 1 by a, and this will be cancel out. You will get a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3, and bracket में a plus 1 by a. Right friends? This is a plus 1 upon a whole cube, and so a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 1 upon a cube equal to a plus 1 by a whole cube minus thrice of a plus 1 by a. Right? So now you derive this formula, right friends? And now let's see another formula which is very similar to this, and that is a minus 1 minus a whole cube. Then this will also follow the pattern of a minus b whole cube simply, and this will become a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket में a minus b. So if you follow this, this will give you a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into a into 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. Right friends? So this will give you a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 and bracket में a minus 1 by a. Right friends? So you have got the formula a minus 1 by a whole cube equal to a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 and bracket में a minus 1 by a. Right friends? And now if you want the expression in these terms like a cube minus 1 by a cube, so you will write it as a minus 1 by a whole cube plus 3 bracket में a minus 1 by a. Right friends? And now try to solve some questions. So friends, let's take some question. The question is, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, right friends? ये प्रूफ करना है a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब equal to 3a b c. Right friends? Then what we will do? Very simple. A plus b plus c is given to you, then write it as a plus b and this is minus c, right? So cubing both sides, what will happen? This will give you a cube b cube plus 3ab and bracket में a plus b, and this will give what? C cube with minus sign, and this is asked to you, right? So transfer these terms that side, and value of a plus b is what? Minus c. Value of a plus b is what? Minus c. This will become a cube plus b cube, and this will become minus 3abc, and this is minus c cube. So transfer the terms a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to thrice of a b c. Right friends? So this is proved. And friends, try to solve one more question. Question is, if a square 1 by a square equal 23, then find the value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube. Right? Simply what we will do, if you add a square plus this a square plus twice both sides, it will become 23 plus 25, and this is what? A plus 1 by a whole square, it is just a 5 square, right friends? So the value of a plus 1 by a is plus 5. And now the formula for a cube plus 1 upon a cube is we know, and that is a plus 1 by a whole cube minus size of a plus 1 by a. If you put the value at the place of this, we will get plus 5 whole cube minus 3 into 5 will give you 125 minus 15. Right friends, this will give you 1 1 10. And similarly, if you put negative value, then you will get minus 1 1 10. Right friends? So friends, I hope that these two examples will help you to clear your doubts, right friends? And now move to very next question. The question is x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3x y z, and x plus y plus z equal to 0, right friends? Then find the value of x plus y whole square divided by xy plus y plus z whole square divided by yz plus z plus x whole square divided by zx, right friends? So try to solve it. First of all, what we will do, x plus y plus z is given to us, so convert simply, it is x plus y whole square, right friends? The x plus y equal to z, it means x plus y equal to minus z. In case second case, y plus z, y plus z equal to minus x. Similarly, z plus x equal to minus y. Put all these values over here, right? So x plus y equal to minus z, it means minus z whole square upon xy, y plus z minus x whole square divided by yz. Similarly, z plus x minus y whole square upon zx, right? So you will get z square upon xy plus x square upon yz plus y square upon zx. And now what you are seeing, this over here, if you multiply this by z, this by x, and this by y, then the denominator will be same, right friends? To do this, you will get z cube upon x y z. Similarly, x cube over x y z. Similarly, y cube over y z. And now you can write it as all this thing, x cube plus y cube plus z cube divided by xyz, right friends? And in the very starting, the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube is given to you, and that is 3xyz. And so put this 3xyz, and this is xyz. So you will get answer 3 over here, right friends? So I think this will be clear to you. So friends, we end this lecture over here, and in next lecture we will solve some more question. And dear friends, I would also like to say that if this lecture will help you for your study, then subscribe this A to Z Exam Guru YouTube channel, share to your friends, and write your comment in comment section. Thank you, class.